What if I tell you that 99% of the students they never really score very well in chemistry? And you know why is that? It's not because they don't study really, and it's not because they don't understand chemistry, but it is because of these mistakes that I'm going to tell you and how to fix these mistakes, because these are the secret tricks that you can apply and you can score 80 out of 80, everybody. Right? That means that you can get 100 out of 100 as well. So these are the hidden tricks that toppers use, that no teachers is ever going to tell you. But maybe that is a exaggeration, because there are a lot of YouTuber teachers and people are also going to tell you some secrets, but maybe you know, maybe you don't know. But I am going to try and make it so clear, so crystal clear and so concise for you, that you are meant to be doing this work and you are going to get that score. So you tell me if you are ready to score 80 out of 80, and then I'm going to tell you, because in this video I am going to tell you the exact secret that you need to score that much. Are you ready, everybody? If you are ready, then my first secret is about this. Okay, it's coming up right now. Right now, everyone, please take a look at it. The first secret is, everybody, that NCRT is the Bible. Now, I know you have heard about this, that NCRT is the Bible, NCRT is the Bible, from many teachers, but how should you use it? What is the right way to use NCRT? That is something that many students don't know, and this is why you lose marks, right? Every teacher will tell you, read NCRT, NCRT is the Bible, just drink it like Horlicks, everybody, and you're going to get the marks. But what is the right way to study NCRT? What is the way that toppers read NCRT? How are they getting the exact same, answer, and they are getting to go, they are getting to get the full marks, but you are not able to get that. So I'm going to give you a one hack, everybody. The hack is that you are going to underline, you are going to use the highlighter code here, okay? And you are going to underline the important points. Don't go and underline everything, yes, because that is only going to make your book look like it has had jaundice, everybody. Right? You don't want to do that. So what is it that you're supposed to do? Use the highlighter code, use the colors, okay, make sure that your book looks colorful, but also not so much that it looks like a drawing book. You use pink for exceptions, maybe whatever exception. We all know that in inorganic chemistry there are a lot of exceptions. You can use green for the common question, be it JEE mains, be it NEET, or be it your board examination, be it 10th standard, be it 12th standard. In each and every board examination you will find many common questions. And you can use yellow for formula, especially for physical chemistry part, right? Okay, underline the exceptions, the common question and the formulas, and then write it out from your memory. You're not going to look at the book. And please don't underline everything in the book. This is going to be very very important. This is going to help you. Trust me on this. अभी भी टाइम है, कर लो ये चीज, बहुत नहीं तो पछताओगे। और मैं नहीं चाहती कि तुम पछताओ, मैं चाहती हूँ कि तुम अच्छे मार्क्स लाओ, क्योंकि मेरी तो यही दुआ है। और मैं तो यही चाहूंगी कि तुम मुझे बताओ इस वीडियो के नीचे आके, जस्ट लेट मी नो इन द वीडियो दैट यस मैम योर स्ट्रेटेजीज हेल्प, यस मैम योर सेशंस हेल्प। तो प्लीज डू दैट फॉर मी, ठीक है? अगला हमारा जो सीक्रेट होता है वो है कि फॉर्मूला कंप्रेशन टेक्निक, ठीक है? द फास्टेस्ट मेमोराइजेशन हैक इज दिस, एवरीबॉडी। यस, you are going to have one A4 sheet paper, and in that one A4 sheet paper you are going to write down each and every reaction and the key points for one chapter in only one A4 size paper. Aha, it's like, you cannot go to the next page at all. No, you cannot take up any other A4 paper. You cannot take the second A4 paper for one chapter. Each chapter, each A4 size paper. So that means that, let's say if you have 10 chapters, you should be having 10 A4 size paper, and in that 10 A4 size paper you are going to basically compress everything that is important from that chapter. Do that. Next is your question paper time machine. Guys, you really have to understand it now that 80% of your paper is just a recycled question. Every single examining or testing agency are going to take it up from the previous year question, guys. We have seen it in JEE, we have seen it in NEET, and we have always seen it in board examination. Board examination predominantly only uses recycled questions. They're never going to give you a new question per se. Okay, you are going to solve the last 10 years of PYQ twice, or do it five years, last 10 years, last 5 years of PYQ, do it twice. First you are only going to understand, and then you are going to solve it for speed, because I don't want you to come out of the examination center and you're going to tell me that ma'am, paper was lengthy. I don't want to hear that. Why? Because you are already practicing for speed. So you are not going to tell me that, ma'am, it was so lengthy, I couldn't solve it. No, solve, do this. Okay, paper engineering. See, when you look at the paper pattern, when you look at the marking pattern from the sample papers, you can actually predict the question. But guess what? I understand that that's not your job. This is a job for the teachers, and I am going to do that in my channel. So jaldi say you subscribe, everybody. Fatapat you subscribe to the channel, because I need you here. I am going to do something that is going to be absolutely 100%. It will reflect in your question paper in the examination hall, and you are going to come back and tell me that, my god ma'am, what did you just tell us? It's going to be leaked. Yes. And 5-minute daily revision trick every day before you sleep, on the bed. Yes, before, remember, in the earlier days we used to pray to God. Now before you pray to God, I want you to recite all the key reactions and the formulas out loud. I don't care if your parents are sleeping, your brother, your sister is sleeping, but out loud you are going to recite it every single day. If you are ready for it, if you are going to do it, you give me a fire emoji in the comment section, and I am going to make sure that I notice you personally. And whatever doubt you have, you can ask me, everybody. Stay connected with me in my Telegram channel as well. With this note, everyone, Tara, bye bye. Thank you so much. I hope you understood, and I don't want to take so much time from you. As you have noticed that I've only taken 6 to 7 minutes of your time. So don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, those who need it, and also please like the video if you really like the video. Okay. All right, and comment below. Let me know with the fire emojis that you are ready to fire your board examination, because I am going to help you. Let's become the topper together. What do you all say? Yes, I'm ready to do that. Thank you so much. Tara, bye bye. I'll see you later. Bye.